Getting the fit right on your garments, on your products, will make a huge difference in your business. Because a garment that doesn't fit well just doesn't have a commercial value. It's not something that people want to come back to. It's something that when you buy something that doesn't fit you well, you're most likely never going to go back to that brand. So the damage is not just in the fact that this specific item didn't fit well, there's a long-term damage here. Your customer or that customer that bought from you for the first time and the item didn't fit him or her well, not only did they not coming back, now they're going to tell all their friends not to come close to your brand. So getting the fit right, getting your garments to fit well is essential. And in my opinion, it doesn't matter what kind of investment you need to invest in order to get there. It's worth it and you must do it. There's no shortcuts in this. So when I think about some of the things that will get you to get a garment to fit well, an essential part of it is fitting your garments on a professional fit model. Now, theoretically, many of designers, especially young brands, think about that, the cost of having a professional fit model. And, this is where it becomes, this is $300 an hour, which is more or less where they might be. I have a friend. He or she are the same size. Why can't I use them? Here is the thing. And I want you to really pay attention to this. When we work with brands, all our customers are required to hire fit models, professional fit models. We don't fit on the designer. We don't fit on their friends and family. And here are the reasons why. First of all, fitting on yourself is definitely not an option because you need to see the item from the outside. So if you put it on yourself and you can't see a 360 of the items, it's a waste of money to even invest in developing this product. So definitely not on yourself. Friends and family. Just because you have somebody close by that, yes, you don't need to pay them, you can call them anytime you want. It makes things very easy. I get the argument for it. But just because they're the right size, it doesn't really help because the value that you need is you need an objective feedback, which someone who knows you probably, will feel like, I don't want to hurt him or her feelings. I'm not going to say that this bothers me. I'm going to say that it looks good. And before you know it, they give you feedback that is not really helping you getting the right fit. Because the reason why you fit an item on, a garment on, is actually to find out what's not working, what you can do better. And if you're not getting that feedback from your fit model, you're never going to find out. Fit model, a professional fit model, on the other hand, that's their job. They fit items all the time. In fact, when you choose a fit model, you really want to see if you can find someone who fits in the market that you're looking to compete in, someone who fits similar garments to what you're doing, so they can give you really objective and constructive feedback. And trust me, I've been in fittings where the fit model will tell the pattern maker what he or she should do on the pattern. They will say, hey, I need an 8-inch here, an 1/8 of an inch here. I need a 1/4 of an inch there. In many cases, I saw them, telling the pattern maker, can I look at your pattern? And they will look at the paper pattern, and they're not pattern makers, but they've been doing it for so long that they will say to the pattern maker, yeah, I think you need to curve here a little bit more. I need a little bit more here, or take in here. And that is where you can get into a great fit. So this is what you're investing in. It's tremendous value. The other part is fit models, that's their job, which means that they understand that one of the most important things is to keep consistent measurements. So if you fit on someone today and you fit on that person again a month from now, him or her measurements hers or his measurement, sorry, will be the same. When you try on friends and family, their measurement might change. And if you cannot go back to the same consistent measurement to see the changes that you made, and the body is changing, the measurements of the body is changing, that there's no way that you can get a perfect fit. In fact, that's the worst thing, because you might find yourself fixing things over and over and over again because the body you're fitting on is changing. So, fit model understand that. He or she will keep their measurement consistent. So you know every change that you made, you can see the impact of it. And if it works or doesn't work. So, the financial thing. Yes, fit models are expensive. I'm aware of it. But think about it this way. If we think about a line of, let's say, 15 styles. So over that time that you develop these 15 styles, you might use a fit model 4 or 5 hours top. $1,500 top. Now I'm asking you, doesn't that investment worth if you're going to get a good fitting garments that are going to sell, that your friends and family and customers are going to praise you for the fit, and it will make other people come back more? It will make these customers go and tell everybody else on, tell them how great your garments fit. I mean, the value here is way more than what you will get by saving this $1,500.